In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scroll pages continuously in Foxit Full Screen mode. If you've ever found yourself in full screen mode but wanted to seamlessly scroll from one page to another without interruption, then you're in the right place. This feature is particularly handy for smoother navigation, especially when dealing with lengthy documents. Let's dive in. First, let's access the necessary settings by heading over to the File menu, which you'll find in the top left corner of your Foxit Reader interface. After clicking on File, navigate to Preferences. Keep in mind that if you're using Foxit Reader, the path will be slightly different, but still straightforward. Again, you'll go through File and then Preferences. Once you're there, look for the Full Screen option. Clicking this will open the Full Screen Preferences panel, where we can make the necessary adjustments. Now that we're in the full screen preferences, you'll want to focus on the option labeled One Page at a Time. You'll notice it's checked by default, which restricts the view to a single page in full screen mode. To allow continuous scrolling, simply uncheck this box. This change will enable you to move seamlessly from one page to the next without being halted by the edges of each page. While you're here, there's another option worth considering: Loop after last page. If you enable this, your document will wrap back to the first page after you reach the end, creating a continuous cycle. This feature can be quite useful for presentations or when you need to revisit the beginning without manually scrolling back up. The final step involves adjusting your page display mode outside of full screen to ensure that your scrolling experience is as smooth as possible. To do this, click on the View menu and then select Page Display. Within the options presented, choose Continuous for a single-page view or Continuous Facing if you prefer a two-page layout. This setting allows for a flowing and uninterrupted scroll through your document, making your reading or presenting experience much more enjoyable. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up continuous scrolling in Foxit Full Screen mode. These adjustments allow for a more dynamic and seamless viewing experience, whether you're flipping through pages for study, work, or leisure. By following these simple steps, you'll get the most out of Foxit Reader, ensuring that your document navigation is both efficient and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy scrolling!